Mastering the squat, a guide to proper form and technique. The squat is one of the most fundamental and effective exercises for building lower body strength, improving mobility, and enhancing overall athleticism. However, performing squats with improper form can lead to injury and hinder your progress. In this guide, we'll explore the key principles of proper squatting technique, providing you with the knowledge and tools to master this essential movement pattern safely and effectively. 1. Set up your stance. Start by standing with your feet shoulder width apart or slightly wider, with your toes pointed slightly outward. This stance helps to create a stable base and allows for proper alignment of the knees and hips throughout the movement. Keep your weight balanced evenly on your heels and the balls of your feet. 2. Engage your core. Before descending into the squat, engage your core muscles by bracing your abdominals as if preparing to take a punch. This helps to stabilize your spine and maintain proper posture throughout the exercise. Keep your chest lifted and your shoulder blades pulled back and down to maintain a neutral spine position. 3. Initiate the descent. Begin the squat by pushing your hips back and bending your knees as if you're sitting back into an imaginary chair. Keep your chest up and your gaze forward to maintain a neutral spine alignment. Focus on pushing your knees outwards slightly to prevent them from collapsing inward, which can put undue stress on the knees and increase the risk of injury. 4. Lower to parallel or below. Descend into the squat until your thighs are parallel to the ground or slightly below, depending on your flexibility and mobility. Aim to achieve a full range of motion while maintaining proper form, but avoid going too low if it causes discomfort or compromises your technique. Keep your weight evenly distributed on your heels and mid-foot throughout the movement. 5. Drive through your heels. As you reach the bottom of the squat, reverse the movement by driving through your heels and pressing your hips forward to return to the starting position. Keep your core engaged and maintain tension in your glutes and hamstrings as you stand up, avoiding any excessive leaning forward or rounding of the spine. 6. Focus on control and stability. Throughout the squatting movement, prioritize control and stability over speed or heavy weights. Maintain tension in your muscles at all times and avoid bouncing at the bottom of the squat, which can increase the risk of injury. Use a controlled tempo and focus on proper form to maximize the effectiveness of each repetition. Mastering the squat requires practice, patience, and attention to detail. By following these guidelines for proper form and technique, you can perform squats safely and effectively, unlocking the full benefits of this essential exercise. Whether you're a beginner or an experienced lifter, prioritizing form and technique will help you build strength, improve mobility, and achieve your fitness goals with confidence.